In the first 6 months, Wrench saved one company in the Northwest tens of thousands in hard and soft costs for vehicle maintenance.
We've done that. We had an electric company in the Northwest that actually did a study on how much money we had saved them by replacing their traditional way of servicing their vehicles. And it was in the tens of thousands of dollars in the first 6 months, and it is not a large organization. Reason being for that is that when you look at it, you look at, hey, how do you get a vehicle to the shop when a service is due? You have to drive the vehicle to the shop, send someone to give the person a ride back. The vehicle is now out of service, so you have a lack of revenue because of that vehicle being out of service. You're waiting for often over a day to even get a timing update on when that vehicle will be back. And then again, you have to send someone back to get it, and then someone to drive the vehicle back. And so the overall process there of both hard and soft costs is really a pretty remarkable savings from the fleet service perspective.